Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to show you the 3D shapes of s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and even f orbital. Still it is not in your syllabus, but you can see it will be really helpful to you. See, first of all I am going to make about the s orbital. See, all of you please. What is it? S orbital. You see it is a three-dimensional shape and it's rotating all around. That is why what usually we told it is having a no any direction. Is that clear? Okay, same way you see now it is a p orbital. See it very carefully. In the p orbital, what is usually happening over there? In the p orbital we are usually having a two lobes. Is there or not there? And these two lobes are rotating like this. You can see. Yes or no? It's a three-dimensional beta. Okay, two lobes are there, and that is why it is called dumbbell shape. Clear? Is visible to you now? After that, beta, you can see all of you d orbital, shape of the d orbital. Now in the d orbital, already I told you there are total 4 lobes are there. How many lobes are there? 4 lobes. You please see. Yes, I think it's a beautiful rotation is here. Oh, see, in the p only 2 lobes, but here total 4 lobes are there. See the rotation. Yes or no? From all around. Clear? Okay, beta. Next one is here F. Even it is not in your syllabus, this shape, but you can see how complicated it is. See, that is why it is not in our syllabus. We are not usually drawing on the copy. You can see from there. Oh, yes or no? See, all of you. See it very carefully how complicated it is. This is there, this is there. Then 1, 2, 3 this side. 1, 2, 3 this side. Key. It's very complicated shape. Okay. This is a f orbital 3-dimensional picture. Fine. Okay. Then after that, beta. Now we are going to study about the directions of p orbital, px, py, and the pz. You see all of you, please. In the px, py, pz. Please see. Yes, wait. See. What is it? Now, beta, we all are knowing very well. We are having a x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis. Is there? You see, this is orbital around the y-axis. That is why it is a py. Clear? Same way. Now you see all of you. After the py, we can also see pz. See, this is the pz. What is it? This is a pz orbital. Same way, this is a px orbital. What is it? Px orbital means they all are having a directions. Now after that, beta, we are going to study about the 5d orbitals. Now you see very carefully, all of you. See, there are 3 axes, x, y, and z. First of all, we are saying dxy. What we are saying? dxy. So when dxy is here, when it is in the xy plane, then it is called dxy. What do you call it? dxy. Now you see next one. In the next one, this is dyz. You know why dyz? You please see. This is in the yz plane. Clear? It is in the y and z plane. That is why it is called dyz. But यहाँ पर एक और बनेगा, एक कम है यहाँ पर. Okay, and you see, I will show you a 3-dimensional picture. See, up it's fine. There it was not visible. Now it's visible proper way. How many are there? 4 lobes are there, but they are in a dyz plane. I think it's more clear now. Next one is there dxz. Okay, अब देखो ध्यान से. Yes, visible है. dxz. Okay, in the dx z orbital. Next one you see, all of you. Now dx square and the y square. Beta difference क्या है इसमें? You see here all the orbitals are on the line. Where it is? Yes, on the line. Okay, but that is why it is called dx square y square. Okay, same way. After that, next one you see, this is dz square. Please see, wow, beautiful. What a beautiful shape is there, dz square. समझ आया बेटा? It is only around the z axis. What is it? Only around the z axis. Please look its three-dimensional shape properly. See all of you. These are the orbitals, and this circle is there. This circle is showing one orbital is behind this dz. Is that clear? I hope, student, all of you understood this one, and it will be really helpful to you in your study. Clear? Now we'll see some examples. So helium is here. Suppose helium we are making like this. Only one s is there. That is why 1s2. Next one, beryllium, 1s2, 2s2. Now you please see there. What is going to happening over there? Please see. This is for the 1s. Now this is for the 2s. Last, how many electron? 2 electron. Here we written 1. Here we have written 1. Clear? Next one you see. This is the carbon. What is it? Carbon. See the carbon. Now, बेटा ये real picture है orbital की, कैसे बनते हैं orbital. Clear? Now you see, in this case, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, like this way only it is there. Now you see 2p2 means एक 1s है, एक 2s है, and after that 2p is there. What is there after that? 2p is there. Previously what we have done, see, this is 1s and 2s. Now you see, पहले कौन सा है हमारे पास? ये देखो इधर, अब देखो ध्यान से. Behind of this one, ये सबसे पहले क्या है? 1s. This is 2s, and last one ये वाला, this one is 2p. Last one कौन सा बेटा हमारे पास? That is a 2p. I understood all of you my point. Is that clear? In actually these like that only atom shape is there, orbitals are forming. देखो इधर से देखो ध्यान से, what a beautiful shape is. Okay, now you see next one more example, oxygen 2p4. but I think अब आपको visible हो गया है, ये देखो. yes, is that clear? अब इसमें नीचे हैं इसके 1s भी है, 2s भी है, and upside 2p is there. 2p is having how many lobes? 3 lobes. How many lobes are there? 3 lobes are there. Yes or no? See, here is 2 electron. One is here, one is here. Am I right? Next one you see, neon. देखो ध्यान से, 2p6. These 3 are fully filled. ध्यान से देखो. बेटा ये 3 lobes ये हैं. One is containing. अब देखो ना, एक में क्या होता है हमारे पास? One is containing. Just wait. One is containing like this way. एक ये होता है, दूसरा ये, तीसरा ये. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lobes are there. So that is why बेटा यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखो इसको. Please look at very carefully. Yes. How many are there? 6 lobes are there. Is that clear? Next one you see, magnesium. अब मैग्नीशियम देखो, इस 2p के बाद, और आफ्टर दिस 2p, what is there? Next orbital we have drawn 3s. Clear है? Next one you see argon. अब argon में क्या है हमारे पास? 3s2. Then after that बेटा 3p6. See, after this 3s we have drawn p orbital. Yes or no? Is that clear बेटा? Like this way only orbitals are forming. Same way next one is here calcium. अब देखो ध्यान से. Means बेटा इसमें जब आगे आगे बढ़ते हो, all the orbitals are mixed with the each other. Yes, see what a beautiful shape. यहाँ से देखो कितने S आ गए इसमें, कितने P आ गए. Same way, you please see the next one is there, titanium. See, it's a little bit complicated, but now it's having a D orbital. 4s2, yeah, 3d2. You please see 3d2 कहाँ पर है, ये पड़ा है हमारे पास 3d2. 3d2 कहाँ पर है, let's see. This one, see 3d2. But that is why we are saying D is having a poor shielding effect. Poor shielding effect क्यों आपको पता लग गया हो, देखो शेप ध्यान से देखो. बिकॉज न्यूक्लियस को पूरी तरह ये कवर नहीं कर पाता. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन क्रोमियम 4s2 3d4. अब देखो 3d में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 4. प्लीज सी द शेप वेरी केयरफुली. अगेन व्हाट आर ब्यूटीफुल, s p d all the orbitals are there. Same way, next one you see iron. There we put, see how many electron, 3d6. Same way you can see zinc. All orbitals are fully filled.